step in mastering fractions is to have a very sure foundation, a very strong understanding of what a fraction is. A fraction is the number of parts selected out of the total parts in one whole. We refer to the top part of a fraction as being the numerator, and the bottom part of the fraction is called the denominator. I suggest associating numerator and north and denominator with down. In this example, you can see there is one part selected out of 4 parts in the whole circle. On a number line, what it looks like is between 0 and 1 there are 4 parts, and you're colored up to the first one there. In 7/4, that's more than a whole, because if there's only 4 parts in a whole, you clearly have more than one whole selected. And so 7/4 means all 4 of these and 3 more. On the number line, you can see it's more than 1. It's 1 and 3 more fourths. Here you have the number line divided up into fourths, and you're past the 1, 3 spaces past the 1, almost all the way to 2. This circle is divided up into 5 parts, 5 parts in the total, and 2 are selected. Looking at the number line, you can see there's been 2 parts selected, and if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there are 5 divisions here in one whole. 11 selected out of 5 means you have more than one whole, and here they are. You actually have 2 wholes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 more makes 11 fifths. On the number line, you're a little ways past 2. You're 2 and 1 more fifth. In summary, one of the important things to remember is when your numerator is greater than your denominator, your number is greater than 1. If you're to divide this in your calculator and get a decimal, if you get a decimal number less than 1, most likely you've divided 4 divided by 7 instead of 7 divided by 4. So that's a good check for the reasonableness of your comparison. If you have 7/4 in your calculator and it comes out 1.75, that would be correct. But if it comes out less than 1, then you probably stuck it in backwards. Once you understand this principle, then you need to practice and just ask, or maybe I've already given you directions, but now's the time to start practicing once you understand that. Don't assume just because you can understand what I'm saying that you really grasp the concept. It's important